Good morning, everyone. So today is Women's Day, and our office is going to celebrating it. Energy is high, hair is washed, but the main question is, what I'm going to wear today?
Hmm. Hmm? Hmm.
So me and my bestie decide to wear a jumpsuit today. Simple yet classy. So this jumpsuit is from Mango, which I buy just last month before. So finally इसका मुहूर्त तो आ जाना ही था. So this is how it looks. I love the fit. So since it's office today, so I decide to go with sunscreen, lipstick and a little confidence that nobody noticed that I got ready in 5 minutes. And here we go. So keeping it more minimal today, these tiny studs are from H&M. Super simple but they add just the right amount of sparkle. And of course this watch is from Titan, the rose gold edition. I feel like a good watch instantly makes any outfit looks more put together. So that's the vibe today. Fresh, minimal and office ready. And of course, no outfit is complete without a good boots. Since it's a long jumpsuit, I'm wearing this high boot heels from brand Catwalk. And the quality is really good. I have actually been using them from past 2-3 years. And if you want the link for this boots, just let me know in the comments. If I can find the exact way, I'll share it. And if not, then I'll add a very similar one for you. So, before heading to the office, I always like to keep myself hydrated. It could be coconut waters, berries, or one of my favorite, Lush Lychee from Paperboat. It's really refreshing, hydrating, and gives just the right run boost to start the day. Okay, I am on set. Let's leave it.
Years later.
So first half is over and me and my bestie immediately started our real job, photo shoot. In the office, in the cafe, below our office premises, basically everywhere. And after all of this for struggle, we finally went for our club lunch. We said let's grab the lunch and end up with a table full of food. Now comes the most interesting part of the day. In the second half, our office planned a really beautiful activity, a terrarium making workshop. It was honestly such a calming and a soothing experience. Just working with the plant soil and creating something small but beautiful felt really refreshing in the middle of the busy workday. What I love the most is it also reflects something our company truly believes in: sustainability and staying connected with the nature. And since it's a Women's Day, it even felt more special as a woman and as an emerging leader leaders, we also carry the responsibility to nurture, grow, and care, not just in our work but also for the world around us. Creating this little terrarium felt like a small reminder of that, and honestly, it turned out so cute in the end. Let's see how it looks. Okay, before I end this video, I just want to say this is actually my first video on the YouTube. And if you have watched it till the end, it truly means a lot to me. If you have enjoyed this little glimpse of the day, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more static moments, lifestyle tips and crazy food adventures and many more fun things here. So, stay tuned and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.